Hello, fifth grade. Today you'll be working on an interest inventory. Clearly stated, all that means is that you're going to be telling what you're interested in. I'm going to read the directions with you, and then you can go through the rest yourself. Please complete the following sentences with information about yourself. Remember, no answer is wrong. No answer is a wrong answer on the sheet. Only your teacher will read your answers. So this is a private thing between you and me. It just asks questions like what I like most about school, what I like least about school, I wish my teacher would let me choose, I'm really good at, I need some extra help with, in the classroom I wish I could sit, in the classroom I behave, my favorite book is, I live with. 3 words to describe myself. I participate in the following activities with my friends. Basically, what do you like? I like to participate in the following activities by myself. When I watch TV, I usually like to watch. If I were surprised with the gift of $1,000 cash, I would use it to... The only thing I really want my teacher to know about me is, okay? And then down here, if you have anything else you want me to know about you, go ahead, write it down. The reason I'm doing this is it helps me get to know you better, and it helps me create activities that you would enjoy more.